Can you please get your calculator and find the answers of the below simple multiplications? You will at least take few seconds to get an answer. In this video, I'm going to explain you some tricks so that you can get your answer as fast as calculator does. This video will literally make your brain like a calculator. You just look at the number and perform certain calculations in mind and you will get your answer in a flash, like this.
04 into 107
is 28. 11128. 1121 into 2131 is 1 5 8 8 8 3 and 2. To get your answers as quickly as I did, the only condition is that you have to watch this video till end carefully, because each and every steps I'm going to explain in next few minutes is really very important. So without wasting time, let's get started. We are going to split the fast multiplication trick into two different methods. So with method 1, you can perform the multiplication of any number which is close to 100. For example, 102 into 105, 125 into 128, 98 into 99, etc. etc. And with the second method, you can perform the multiplication of any number. I call it as a universal trick. You should apply this method when the nature of number is complicated. For example, 221 into 523, 2234 into 3142. So multiplication of such numbers you can perform with the method 2. So let's get started with our method 1. So friends, I'm going to split my method 1 into 3 parts. So where both numbers I'm going to multiply are greater than 100, both numbers are less than 100, and one number is greater than 100 and one number is less than 100. So let's take example of 102 into 105, where both numbers are greater than 100. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find out the difference of 102 and 105 with respect to 100. So 102 is 100 plus 2, 105 is 100 plus 5. Now I'm going to do the cross addition of these numbers. So 102 plus 5 is 107, or 105 plus 2 is also 107. I'm going to write my first part of my answer, and now I'm going to do the multiplication of these two differences. 2 into 5 is 10. So 10710 is my answer. Let's take another quick example, 104 into 107. So this is 100 plus 4, 100 plus 7, 107 plus 4 is 111, and 7 into 4 is 28. So 11128 is my answer. Let's complicate it. Let's try to find out 125 into 128. So this is 100 plus 25, 100 plus 28. Cross addition, 128 plus 25 is 153, and 25 into 28. So 25 into 20 plus 8. I can write it like this. 25 into 20 is 500, plus 25 into 8 is 200. So this is 700. Since I'm always going to represent the second part in 2 digits, I'll write it at 00. This 7 will go as a carry over here. So 160, 153 plus 7 will become 160. So 16000 is my answer. Let's take another example where my both numbers are less than 100. So 98 into 99. So 98 is 100 minus 2, 99 is 100 minus 1. Again the same method of cross addition, 98 minus 1 will become 97, or 99 minus 2 is 97, and my second part 2 into 1, 02, since I'm always going to represent my second part in 2 digits. So 9702 is my answer. Let's take another quick example. 92 into 89. So 92 is 100 minus 100 minus 8, 89 is 100 minus 11. So 92 minus 11 is 81, and 11 into 8 is 88. So 8188 is my answer. Quick one, 85 into 82. So 85 is minus 15, 82 is minus 18. So 85 minus 18 is 67, or 82 minus 15 is 67, and 15 into 18. So I'm going to write it as 10 plus 5 into 18. So it's 180 plus 90. 18 into 5 is 90, which will become 270. 2 will be carry over, is 70. 67 plus 2 is 69. So 6970 is my answer. Let's move on to the next one, where one number is greater than 100 and one number is less than 100. This is a bit tricky, so pay your full attention. So let's take example 96 into 114. So here 96 is 4 short of 100 and 114 is 100 plus 14. Till this point where it's the same calculation, so we'll do the cross addition. 96 plus 14, or 100 and 14 minus 4 is 110, and 14 into 4 is minus 56. 14 into minus 4 is minus 56. Now it becomes tricky over here. Since the second part which I got is negative, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one carry from here. So when I take one carry from here, it will have value of 100, because value of this digit, since this is a 100 place digit, the value of this digit is 100. So this 1 is actually 100. So 100 minus 56 will become 44. And this 1, since I have carried over here, I will reduce it from the first part, that is 110. So 110 minus 1 is 109. So 10944 is my answer. So this is bit tricky over, since the second part which you have got 56 is negative, you have taken one carry from the first part. That's why the first part has become 109, and after taking this 1 as a carry, it has a place value of 100. So what you are going to do, 100 minus 56, which will give you answer as 44. Let's take another example for the clear understanding. 108 into 91. So this is plus 8. 100 plus 8 is 108, and 100 minus 9 is 91. What I'm going to do, 108 minus 9 is 99, or 98 plus 8 is 99, and 8 into 9 is 72. 8 into minus 9 is minus 72. I'm taking 1 as a carry, so it will become 100. Place value of this place is 1, 2, 3 is 100. So 100 minus 72, which will give me answer as 28. And 98 minus 1, which is carried over, is 90. 99 minus 1 is 98. So 9828 is my answer. Let's take a final example for the method 1. 118 into 89. So 118 is plus 18, and 89 is minus 1100. So 100 minus 11 is 89. So 118 minus 11, or 89 plus 18 is 107. And now multiply 11 into 18. So it's 10 plus 8 into 11. So 110 plus 88, which is 198. This is my second part. This is minus 198. Now I have to take 2 as a carry. Why? Because 198 is already greater than 100. So if it would have been 298, then I would have taken 3 as a carry. If it would have been 498, then I would have taken 5 as a carry. 100 minus 198, which will give me 02. So the difference between 200 and 198 is 2. I'm going to represent it in 2 digits, that is 02. And since I have taken 2 carry, I'm going to reduce it from 107 So 107 will become 105. So 10502 is my answer. So you can see with this method 1, you can perform multiplication of any number which are close to 100. So friends, moving to our second method of multiplication of any number, which I call it as a universal trick. You should apply this trick for the multiplication of the complicated numbers. Let's take an example. We are going to multiply the 3-digit number 221 into 523. You can get your answer just looking at the number. However, for the sake of understanding, I have written the same number multiple times. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a boxes around this number. So on the unit digit number, that is the first digit, I'm going to make box like this. Then first and second digit, I'll make box like this. And the third box will be first, second and the third digit. The next box will be second digit and the third digit. And the final box will be on the third digit. Now the product of these boxes is actually your answer. So you can start writing your answer now. So 1 into 3 is 3. I'll write my answer over here. I'm going to do the cross multiplication here since I'm having two numbers. So 2 into 3 is 6 plus 2 into 1 is 2. 6 plus 2, 8. I'll write it over here. When there are three numbers, I will do multiplication like this. So multiply the numbers which are at the corner, do the cross multiplication, and the middle number you multiply by the middle number of the another digit, another number. So 2 into 3 is 6 plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 5 into 1 is 5. So 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. I'll write 5 here, 1 as a carry. Now since there are two numbers, let us do the cross multiplication. 2 into 2, 4 plus 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 4, 14 plus this one carry, which will make it 15. Again there is a carry 1. Let's multiply 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So 115583 is my answer. Let's take another complex example of multiplication of 4-digit number 2234 into 3142. So let's start writing our answer. 4 into 2 is 8. I'll write 8 over here. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 4 into 4, 16. 6 plus 16 is 22. 2 is a carryover. So again 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 into 4 is 12 plus 4 into 1 is 4. So 12 plus 8 is 20 plus 2, 22. Again carryover 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into 4 is 8 plus 3 plus 4 into 3, 12. So 4 plus 8, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 12, 27, and add this carryover 2, so it will become 29. Again carryover 2. So 2 into 4, 8 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into 3 is 9. So 8 plus 2, 10 plus 9, 19, and carryover 2. So 19 plus 2 is 21, carryover 2. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10, carryover 1. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So my answer is 7019228. So any complex number you can multiply using this method. Now what we are going to do, we are going to multiply a complex number again. However, we will not make these boxes. So these boxes will be imaginary. You have to make these boxes in mind. 1121 into 2131. So here I'm not going to make any boxes. I'll simply start writing my answer. So 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 3 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 1 into 1 is 1, that is 8. So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 3 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 into 1 is 2, 6, plus 2 into 1 is 2, 8. So 3 into 1 is 3, plus 1 into 1 is 1, that is 4, plus 2 into 2 is 4, that is 8. 1 into 1 is 1, plus 2 into 1 is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1 into 2 is 2. So 2, 3, 888, 5, 1 is my final answer. So you can see one can get answer to such complicated number literally like a calculator. I hope you have liked this video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more video like this.